Today is a spa day for your feet. Summer is coming, so it's about time to take care of this body part as well. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you a very easy and very quick recipe of DIY scrub for your feet. So let me show you the ingredients, let me show you how I make it, and then I will see you in a bit and I will tell you how to use it. So this was the recipe, very easy, very quick and very effective. Use it twice per week when you are in the shower, or if you're having special spa day for your feet, then you can do it in the 3 steps. You can soak first, then scrub it and then moisturize. Is up to you, but do it consistently. Twice per week is absolutely fine. If you do scrub your feet in the shower, be very careful not to trip down because of the oils that are in the recipe, because it might get slippery, so be very cautious and very careful. And other than that, I don't think that you might have any allergies towards the ingredients. Use it twice per week and you will see how the skin of your feet looks like. Very beautiful, very soft and very, very healthy. And that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, either clicking on this icon over here or on the red button below this video. And I wish you all the best. Have a nice day, everyone. And of course, I will see you in the next video.